In our previous video, we explored how to debloat Android using a PC. Today, we're taking a different approach. We'll be removing those stubborn pre-installed apps that can't be disabled or uninstalled through the usual methods, all directly on your Android device. No PC needed. This process is completely free and open source, and you'll only need to set it up once. So stay tuned for a simple and effective way to declutter your Android experience. First, download the 2 open source apps from the links provided. Scan results will be shared later in the video. Now, follow these steps. Click on the pairing button. Then go to Developer Options and enable it. Search for wireless debugging, enable it, and ensure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network. Next, click on Pair Device with Pairing Code, and enter the code from the notification pop-up. Go back to the Shizuku app and click the Start button. Some may see a red message. The solution may vary by device. For me, it was fixed by searching for Permission Manager in Settings. Going to Additional Permissions, selecting Shizuku, and allowing the Kanta app. Now you're all set. Open the Kanta app to remove any unwanted apps. To simplify, you can filter system apps using the recommended filter, which highlights safe to remove options. However, read the descriptions and do your research before removing any apps. To uninstall an app, select the app you want to remove and click on Uninstall icon. The app will be removed from your device. In the Other section, you can find previously removed apps and restore any of them by selecting the desired app. For example, we are restoring one test app. After restoring, you may find that the app cannot be disabled or uninstalled. In this case, you can easily remove the test app using the Kanta app. Additionally, you can check running services in the developer settings to identify unnecessary system apps that are running in the background, which can also be removed using the Kanta app. Remember to do some research on any app you plan to remove to ensure it won't negatively impact your device's functionality. Here are the scan results. Thanks so much for your time. If you liked the video, please do subscribe. If you disliked it, please let us know in comments what we can improve. Have a good day!